you didn't know that 77% of food waste happens in our fridges. 77%. Can you believe that? So here are my top tips to make your fridge work better for you. Before doing this challenge, I never actually thought about checking my home fridge temperature. Fridges need to be between 1 and 5 degrees, and if you keep your fridge in that range, it will help food last longer. The coldest part of your fridge is the middle shelf. The warmest part is your door. Mind-blowing, right? And where do we all keep our milk? In the door of the fridge. So let's move that milk into the middle of the fridge. If you keep it cooler, it's going to keep for longer. If we can, all raw meat and dairy really needs to be kept in that middle shelf to keep it as cold as possible. Obviously segregating it to make sure it's safe. The best thing to keep in the door of your fridge, the pickles and sauces, because they don't go off too quickly. Supermarkets use a trick called eyeline is byline to get you to buy more. We can use that principle in our fridges at home by putting more perishable goods at our eye level, which means we're going to see them more often, and it's going to trigger your brain into thinking what you can make for dinner using those bits. You can freeze just about anything right up until it's used by date and save it for another day. We've all shoved something in the freezer, muttering to ourselves, I'm definitely going to remember what that is, and then months later you find yourself rummaging through a load of unlabelled bags, wondering what on earth you've left in there. I'm one of the worst for that. You saw the state of my freezer earlier on. The last thing you want to do is risk a bit of gravy on your crumble or a bit of chocolate sauce on your roast dinner, so just label it, put a date on it, and you're even more likely to use it up. Thanks for listening again, and best of luck with your Fridgonomics. We'd love to hear how you guys are getting on. If you follow the links below, you'll be able to let us know what's going on and also find any more hints and tips in being best mates with your fridge and freezer.